How are you doing? I hope you are all doing fine today. And you can see here I'm going to draw a country map, and its name is Netherlands. It's an European country. It has the borders with Germany on the eastern side. On the southern side it has borders with Belgium, and this side you can see on the northern side is the North Sea. First I'm going to draw the border outlines of the country, then later I'm going to put the colors. So the outlines you see here is just a roughly distributed area and the land area of this country. In the world atlas you are going to find the more detailed drawings about the country map, but the shape I just draw here, this is the most usual shape and very specific. So if you are a geography student or you have to learn the map of any country, then the thing is that you need to memorize it and practice it drawing again and again. So the more you going to draw, the better the drawing is going to be, the better the map is going to be. So that's the only thing, to practice, practice and practice. So usually the map doesn't change, the shape of the map doesn't change. Okay, you can see some islands here too, the small parts. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going to put the crayon colors, sometimes you call it oil pastel. So I'm just using you can see here crayon color. So Daki, that's the available color in South Asian country, maybe China made. And the pencil is the Matador pencil. There's the locally available pencil. Okay, the color pencil. All right, so I'm putting the crayons in the map here. All right, and from the surroundings it's just getting separated. After we put the color, it has a visual separation from the surrounding white surface. Okay, so it's important to make it separate from the white background. This is how you know the land area which is occupied by this country, or this is the actual borders of this country. So this is how you understand it. That's why we're just putting little soft color just to show it very nicely and in a presentable way. Okay, so one good thing about the crayon color is that you can cover up a very big area, proportionately bigger area, with a small amount of time. Sometimes it takes very less time, and if you want to mix it up, you can use the blending stamp or use the fingers like this one, and the colors just mix up smoothly. Okay, so the map is complete, and I hope you like the drawing, like the video, and do practice at home, and the drawing is going to be good. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with the channel and hopefully subscribe it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.